Day 16 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, guys, we're at day 16. You know what that means? That means I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe so we can run these subscriptions up. Go ahead, drop that bank emoji in the comments. Matter of fact, drop like 2 or 3 of them in the comments. You know what I'm saying? And then drop one more for good luck. So we're going to keep running these engagement up. We're going to run the comments up, run the likes up, run the subscriptions up, all that good stuff, man. So I could keep bringing you this good content, man, and this good motivational work that we doing to keep everybody motivated to keep working every day. We coding every day. We don't stop. We keep going. We like the Energizer Bunny. I know a lot of y'all probably too young for the Energizer Bunny, but that don't matter. We gonna show you what the Energizer Bunny used to do anyway. We gonna explain it to you. The Energizer Bunny keeps going like we do, you know? So let's see what question we have here today. We have question number 17. No, we have question 1768. I almost read that number like I don't know what I was thinking. We have question number 1768. Merge strings alternately. The difficulty level is easy, so you know what that means. We're going to keep it simple and easy, man, and we're going to get through this. So let's see what the question says today. It says you are given 2 strings, word 1 and word 2. Merge the strings by adding letters in alternating order, starting with word 1. If a string is longer than the other, append the additional letters onto the end of the merged string. Return the merged string. So if you don't know what that means just by reading that, I understand. That's what the example's for. So let's look at example 1 and see what that says. It says example 1, input is word 1 is ABC, word 2 is PQR. The output is APBQCR. Explanation, the merged string will be merged as so. So if you look right here, you can see how they merged them. First word is ABC, second word is PQR. So what they did is they went word 1, A, but they're merging them. So the second letter comes from word 2, which is P. Then the third letter comes from word A, which is B. Then the fourth letter comes from word 2, which is Q. The fifth letter comes from word 1, which is C. And the sixth, the last but not least letter comes from word 2, which is R. So I hope that makes sense. Let's look at example 2, just in case. It says input word 1 equals AB, word 2 equals PQRS. Output APBQRS. Notice that at explanation, it says, notice that as word 2 is longer, RS is appended to the end. So we're going to go through the starting off. We have the same pattern as we did before. It goes word 1. We start with word 1. So we go word 1 as it starts with A, so we put A. Then we go to word 2, starts with P, so we put P. Then we go back to word 1 is B. Then we go to word 2 is Q. But if you notice, there are more letters in word 2 than there are in word 1. But we still want those letters. We're just going to add them on to the end. So that's why it says RS is appended to the end, because even though we ran out of letters in word 1, we still appending the last letters of word 2. We just not putting any more letters in between them like we would as if word 1 was a little longer. So let's look at example 3 and see what this one does. It says input word 1 ABCD, word 2 PQ, output APBQCD. So explanation, notice that word 1 is longer, CD is appended to the end. So in example 3, word 1 is longer instead of word 2 being longer. And in this case, we're appending CD to the end because word 1 has 4 letters, word 2 has 2 letters. So we do the same pattern. We start with word 1, it goes A, then we go to word 2, it goes P, then we go back to word 1, it goes B, then we go back to word 2, it goes Q. But we're out of letters for word 2, but we still have letters for word 1. So what that means is we're just going to append those extra letters to the end of the string. And we're going to print out the merged string. So let's see how we're going to do this. First thing we are going to do is we are going to declare a variable. We're going to call that result, and that is going to be equal to a blank string, right? And then we are going to come down here and we are going to say for char1 and char2 in zip word1 comma word2. So what this zip is going to do is it's going to combine the words, like a zipper. Then the zipper has teeth, so it goes one side of the zipper's teeth comes in with the other side of the zipper's teeth, and they merge together to zip up a zipper, if that helps to make any sense. But what this zip does is it's going to help us to combine these two strings. So to do that, we say result plus equals, then we're going to say char1 and char2, just like that. Actually though, excuse me, these should be array brackets, not parentheses, because we're building it into an array. So like I said before, if you don't understand, zip is like a zipper. You know what I'm saying? It goes one, then the next on the other side, then the next on the right side, then the next on the left side, then the next on the right side, then the next on the left. And it basically merges the two teeth of each zipper. So then we're going to come down here and we're going to say if word1.count is larger than word2.count, because remember we need to append the extra letters at the end, we're going to say result plus equals, we're going to say word1, then we're going to open up those array brackets, we're going to say word2 dot, index, then we're going to put a 3 periods, then we're going to say else, and we're going to say result plus equals, down here we're going to say word2, and then we're going to say, and inside the array brackets we're going to say word1 and index dot. Then looks like we're missing a bracket, but then we're going to come down here, and I don't know how we ended up missing a bracket, but we're going to come down here and we're going to return result. Make sure y'all brackets are right, because somehow they got messed up right there. But let's run it, see what happens. Ooh, and it's accepted, so let's submit it, see what it says. Boom! 6 milliseconds beats 67.55% of users in Swift. We looking good today, guys. Until next time, I will see you guys tomorrow.